A park with a history. 9th of April Park, Tbilisi, Georgia. Presented by Holidays on Shoestrings. Just off Shoti Rastavali Avenue lies the verdant splendor of the 9th of April garden, which stands as a testament to a poignant chapter in Georgia's history. This historical garden occupies the upper portion of what was once Alexander Garden, opened in 1865, the first public garden in Tbilisi, and so named in honor of the Russian Emperor Alexander II. This landmark is split into two by Rezo Tabakashvili Street due to the construction of the tram line in 1986. The lower half, named Georgi Leonai's Garden, and the upper part, the 9th of April Garden. Both gardens complement each other to paint a lush, serene picture in the heart of Tbilisi. The latter was given its name after the events of the April 9, 1989 tragedy, which is also known as the Massacre of Tbilisi, referring to the events in Tbilisi when an anti-Soviet separatist demonstration was crushed by the Soviet army, leaving 427 people injured and 21 dead. During the raid, many people took refuge in the Kashveti church and this garden. April 9 is now remembered as the Day of National Unity. Today, the 9th of April Garden is a neat, tidy and well cared for park, and one of the best places in the heart of the city to relax in, with its shady trees, well-placed benches, a cool fountain, interesting historical statues and sculptures which are scattered all around the park. And it is hard to believe that such a tragic incident happened near this pretty tranquil place. It's a complete contrast to bustling Rastavali Avenue, just a hop, skip and jump away. In the summer, the children love to take a dip in the fountains. A statue of Ramas Chikikwaze, a distinguished star of Georgian film and theatre, has pride of place in the park. Some of the others were the artist Ledo Gudeshvili, who was an outstanding figure among Georgian modernists, Georgi Leonais, a poet, prose writer and literary scholar, and Mihaly Zichy, a 19th century Hungarian painter who rose to the rank of national painter in Georgia as he produced the classic illustrations that have been frequently used in editions of Rastavali's poetry. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and tell your friends about it.